Hey kids, my name is Jim. I'll be showing you my plow truck. This is called the snow plow. This is what we push the snow and clear the roads and the parking lots off so it's clear for the cars. Let me get in the truck and I will show you what it does. Okay kids, now I'm in the truck and the plow can come off the truck also. It goes up in the air and it can turn left and it can be straight and it can turn to the right. Boom, boom. And then when you're ready to push a pile, you put it down and you push it. This also has a salter on the back of it. And this is the salter bin. You put this up. And that's the inside of it. And that's where the salt goes. And you can also put sand in it. And then this is the back of it. That's how you close the chute. And that's how you open it. And this part of it, kids, that's the spreader part. And let me get back in my truck. Then you drive, and if it's loaded, it'll be spreading salt or sand, whichever one that you decide to put in, or a mixture of both. And that clears the roads and the parking lots. And that makes it so it melts the ice so it's safe to drive on it. And we have a big snow coming up, so I had to go through my truck and make sure it's ready, because without me the roads get clogged and no one can drive down the roads. So guys, I hope you enjoyed me showing you a truck, or showing me showing you my truck, and we'll see you next time.